ng Bulacan First District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, nakapag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson na ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon.
Nakakakol mo ka. Nakakakol mo sino makakakanan. O mga senador pinangungul ba na yan?
Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na.
Ay, Jinggoy.
Hindi po ito totoo.
Hello.
Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada,
Patay ka.
Senator Joel Villanueva,
Ay, okay. Joel.
Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan.
Ba?
Damay na this.
Hindi na niaabutan niya birthday.
At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na to ay construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate phase 3 sa Hagonoy, Bulacan. Flood control mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate sa Malolos, Bulacan. Sa aking written statement.
Mahalaga pong basahin listahan ng mga proyekto. These are the line items that everyone has been talking about, so I think the nation deserves to know which particular line items that are in the GAA that are being implemented for these particular personalities.
Mr. Chair, may I also request that the DIB be directed to read the entirety of his Salaysay?
Yes, yes.
Not to select portion of his Salaysay.
Yes, he will. I think he will be required to read the entire, but we need the specific line item in the General Appropriations Act to be able to tie these particular projects to political personalities, not just DPWH engineers, not just contractors. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, may I also ask that the amounts also be read?
Yes,
I think it's important that the public will also know.
Yes, if it is available, Engineer Hernandez, please mention the amount as well.
Mr. Chair, saglit na interjection lang. After the statement of Sir Bryce, may we have the copy of his statement.